A very good morning, my dear students. Now, I am going to explain the structure of ear. The ears are the sense organs which help us in hearing sound. So, we hear through our ears. As we know, we hear sound when the vibrating air particles travel from the source of sound and reach our ears. And the ear is divided into three parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Each part plays a significant role in the hearing of sound. So we have to study each part separately, and many organs are there and its function. So first part is outer ear. The outer ear consists of a flap-like cartilaginous structure known as pinna. It is attached to about 2 to 3 centimeters long passage called ear canal, and ends at eardrum. Inside the ear canal there is eardrum. Eardrum कान का पर्दा, हिंदी में हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं कान का पर्दा. It is the part of the ear that receives the vibration and transmits the vibration to the ear canal. Then the vibration passes from the ear canal to the stressed membrane of the ear known as eardrum. And from this position, the sound travels to the middle ear. The middle ear has three tiny bones named as malleus, incus, and stapes. In other books, you can find out the different names. It is also known as hammer, anvil, and stirrup. Malleus is known as hammer, incus as anvil, and steps as stirrup. So, three tiny bones are there, which is very delicate bone, and one end of hammer or malleus, it touches the eardrum, and its other end is connected to the second bone called anvil or incus, and then the other end of incus is connected to third bone, that is known as steps or stirrup, and the free end of the steps touches the membrane over the oval window, which is known as cochlea. Hence, with the help of these bones, the vibration is passed on to the inner ear. The inner ear has a coiled tube called cochlea, which is connected with the steps. This tube is filled with liquid and has tiny hair. The fluid and the hair receives the vibration from the middle ear and send a signal to the brain through a special nerve called auditory nerve. And the message transmitted by the auditory nerve to the brain, which makes us enable to hear sound. So, we will now describe the working of ear. It is the sound waves which are collected by the pinna of outer part of ear. These sound waves passes through the ear canal and fall on the eardrum. When the sound waves fall on the eardrum starts vibrating back and forth rapidly. The vibrating eardrum causes a small bone to vibrate. The small bones are there, it makes them vibrate, and the vibration passes on to the liquid in cochlea, which is present in the inner part of the ear. Due to this, liquid in cochlea also begins to vibrate, and the vibrating liquid of cochlea sets up electrical impulses in the nerve cell present in it. These electrical impulses are carried by auditory nerve to the brain, and the brain interprets these electrical impulses as sound, and we get the sensation of hearing. Finally, we hear the sound.